this?
You don't like to sleep, huh? You don't like to sleep na? Good morning, Elon. Can you hear those birds? The birds are saying good morning to you. Good morning, Elon. Good morning, Elon. You don't like to sleep na? You're done with your milk na, no? You're not hungry na? You're not hungry na? Oh, so behave. Holding hands. Holding your two hands. Dapat later ganyan ka din ka-behave, ha? Nakatulog ka ba ng maayos? Ha? Good morning, Elon. Good morning, Lee.
Elon.
Hi.
How are you? Wow, naka-bathing suit. Ay.
Good morning. Hi. Hello? Ganda na kay Mommy, no? Pretty si Mommy? Pretty? Pretty si Mommy? Sige, kitat ka. Wink. Wow. Tinitignan niyo talaga yung dito ko. What's this? Do you like my hair? Do you like my hair? Cheeks, no? Cheeks. Do you like it? Approve kay Daddy. Sa'yo approve? Huh? Pretty si Mommy, pretty? Pretty si Mommy, Lord, pretty? Am I pretty? Kinig ko. Am I pretty? Is Mommy pretty? What's with the hair of Mommy? Tingin talaga siya. Bakit curly na Mommy ko? You like it? Huh? Is Mommy pretty?
declare you husband and wife. Mr. and Mrs. Hardy and Anna.
But I truly, truly wish that I could be there. So I could be the one that said, no, 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 Anna, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't ruin your life, Anna. Don't do it. No, I'm just kidding.